Hi. Hi, good afternoon. Hi, Bosco. Yeah, I can see people coming in. Excellent, excellent. I hope I'm audible to you all and you can hear me. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Hi, Rinku. Hi, Dolly. Hi, FLP family worldwide, globally, across. I don't know how many people across, so many people joining in. Hi, Fazila. Okay, nice to see you online. Okay, hi, Birendra. Good afternoon. Yeah, we'll wait for a few seconds, a few minutes as people are joining in. Hi, Dilip from Gondia. Hi. We'll take a few moments as people join in, and meanwhile, I hope you all are all secure and safe in your homes and not daring to venture out because the only thing that can save us from this current scenario outside is to stay in our homes, stay away from contact of other humans. Okay, for whatever reason, please don't dare to go out. Okay, and I'm so privileged and honored, and I'm so grateful to the Forever Management India, and especially Mr. Harish, our country sales manager, for along with the Netco to decide and to come upon this brilliant idea of doing in-house training through the online, and also to Nikita, operations director, and the COO. Okay, with the new changes that take place. Okay, and all the other management staff, all sitting at home doing so much of service, trying to help us out. It's a privilege and it's an honor to just be here to encourage and to help you to understand and to motivate you this afternoon. And I know that we just started 2 days back, and we had Anand, we had a few others like Mandeep, and we had Vikas this morning, and a few others in the team who came in and spoke, and it's just the beginning of new things, and we are going to see great things happen in the days to come. My topic this afternoon is about change. I don't know how many of you are used to change, but change is what will make us or break us. Okay. Now this afternoon I've got a very limited time to speak, and I know a lot of you are sending your comments. I'm sorry I won't be able to read your comments or to reply to your comments this afternoon because of shortage of time, but I'm grateful to the management for giving us this wonderful privilege, this honor, this platform to bring to you all this in this hour, in this crisis, to bring you various topics to get you to know that it's not the end of the world. Okay, people do think people are frightful and fearful about things, but I am encouraging you not to fear. Okay, but replace fear. Don't feed fear, but feed faith. Faith, I define faith as forsaking all. I trust Him. The one you believe in, you trust Him. He's not created you just with an accident. He's created you with a divine purpose. Okay? So He has a purpose for all our lives. The great I Am, the great Almighty, whom you believe, has a purpose for all our lives. And I believe this crisis that we are going through is not only India, it's across the globe. Every nation, every tribe, the rich, the poor, all of us are suffering together. But in the midst of it, there is hope. Hope for those who will stop watching those WhatsApp, watching the news. Don't get bombarded with all that. Make the best of the season. Make the best of the season to be at home, to be with your loved ones. Maximize the time at home. I believe this is like an Almighty's hand upon the world, because the whole world is running behind certain things without realizing that the most important thing is our families. What we are doing, why we are doing is for our families. And we have forgotten families. So we are forced in a cluster now across the globe. Okay, we are forced that we will be in our homes. There's no choice but to rejoice. Rejoice with the loved ones. Rejoice with the family. Okay? Play games. Come back to those old days when you were small and your children have never seen. Some of our children don't know all this. Let's get them. Let's come as a family. Let's have solid family time. Let the bonds of love increase. And take this opportunity, turn it positive. So don't get disheartened. My topic this evening is, are you ready for change? Are you ready to change? Change is the way of life. When we started a race called life, millions of our brothers and sisters in a race called life, and we were going in that connection between my dad and mom. No? There were millions of our brothers and sisters running for the race. But only one came out. That's you or I. You are a born winner. But the situation, the surroundings make you feel, oh no, what's happening? But let me tell you, Forever is a company which changes a life forever. I've been with the company for the last 20 years. This is my 20th year. I've seen the company evolve. I've seen the company change. Okay, everything has to change, but nobody likes change. What is change? Change is to become different. Okay, to make or become different. And I am believing that we need to be prepared for change. We are in the middle of a new change now. But before I go ahead, I just want to show you how Forever India evolved. Some of you want to see that? I got some big clippings and I got some of those old clippings. I don't know if you can see it very clear there. Can you notice who's here? This is me here. Can you guess who's this? This is Dr. Linden from Shillong. This is Dr. Warrior. This is who? Nikita. Okay, Nikita. You can see some of our pictures here. I'll just try to show you a flipping through. Okay, but you can see one more here. This is a Cherrapunji, Shillong, in the initial years when we just started. Here, she's waterfall. Okay, but we started very simple. This is here, me. Okay, on the launch of our company. This is my eldest son here, Joshua. And this is here with Rex on the launch. Guess who all? You know some of these people in this photograph. Can you guess? Who's this? Smita. You got Amir behind. You got Nikita here again. You got Swarna. Okay, some of the staff is not there anymore. But that's how change takes place. We start changing our lives, changing the looks change, the way we behave changes. This is my youngest son, Jonathan. This is my eldest son. This is the first anniversary of the company where we had in Hotel Sea Princess. Okay, things happen. You see some of the leaders coming up now. You've got Lester here. You got Simon here. Nikita again. You can see the change happening. Already Nikita is looking different. Want to have a different look? Here it is. Here my wife. Okay. Sylvia with a new look at that time. She was by the way a Sonia trainer in those days. Very popular. This is when we just inaugurated the FLP corporate head office in Bombay. So it starts, everything changes, see? Children are growing. When we joined FLP, we had only one son. Afterwards, we had two sons. Okay, everything starts slowly. Everything starts with a small beginning. Everything begins like that. My first check from the company, original check. You're getting the privilege this afternoon to get a look at it. Original check. Okay, you can see Forever Living written here. Okay, 2 rupees, 36 paise. See the date. Okay, very powerful. Everything begins, but it changes gradually. Things change. I joined, see this is FLB ID here. 2000, May 2000 at the pre-launch. We were small, we just handful, 1% a day. But change took us to a new level. When people said at that time, we did not believe. It looked difficult. Right now, we are in the middle of a situation, a challenge, where things look like it's the end of the world. But let me encourage you, do not get discouraged. But be encouraged to know that this too shall pass. There is a day coming where we will be all free, back into our normal routine, living our own lives, rejoicing and make the best of it. So what do? You look to the TV, you look to the social media and bombard yourself with all those negatives? No. Look ahead, how you can look ahead. Right now, we are all in the middle of a tunnel. The tunnel looks dark. The train has gone into the tunnel, and we are all in that kind of a situation where, oh no, I'm getting a whole lot of people asking me to speak in Hindi. मैं हिंदी में बोलूँ? I've been told to speak in Hindi for the benefit of the audience. मुझे बोला गया है कि इसको इंग्लिश में बोला जाए ताकि हमारी जो इंटरनेशनल ऑडियंस को भी इसका भला मिले या इसका फ़ायदा हो. लेकिन मैं चाहता हूँ कि आपके बीच में तो थोड़ा इंग्लिश ट्राई कर लेता हूँ, चलो आपको खुश करने के लिए, क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग हैं जो हिंदी बोल रहे हैं. ओके, बट हम लोग एक अभी ऐसे टनल से जा रहे हैं जहाँ पे पूरा अंधकार है, आगे कुछ दिख रहा नहीं है, साइड से देख रहे हैं तो सब कुछ हमें काला काला नजर आ रहा है, सब कुछ डार्क लग रहा है. लेकिन मैं आपको दावे के साथ बोल सकता हूँ, आगे हम थोड़ा सा खिड़की से झांक के देखें ना, तो आगे हमको टनल के आखिर में एक लाइट जरूर है, एक होप है, कुछ ना कुछ होएगा. लेकिन उसके लिए जो गवर्नमेंट ने आदेश दिया है उसका सबको हमको पालन करना है, और हमको पालन करके उसको आगे पालन करके रहना है, और उसको पालन करके आगे चलना है. बिकॉज हम बदलाव के साथ चलने के लिए हमें बहुत तकलीफ है. काफ़ी लोग फॉरएवर में जुड़े थे, जब हम लोग जुड़े थे हमें काफ़ी बदलाव से जाना पड़ा. 20 साल के अंदर हमने कंपनी को इवॉल्व होते होते हमने इतना बदलाव देखा है, आप सोच नहीं सकते उससे बढ़कर. लेकिन वो बदलाव के साथ साथ कंपनी ने लाइफ को चेंज कर दिया, लाइफ के अंदर ऐसे खुशियां लाए, सपनों को साकार कर दिया कि आज सोच नहीं सकते हैं कि ये फॉरएवर देते देते थकती नहीं है, लेकिन हम लेते लेते थक जाते. इतने क्राइसिस के बीच में जब पूरे दुनिया के अंदर सब लोग डर के या तो क्वेश्चन मार्क में है, यहाँ पे फॉरएवर के अंदर हम आपको आशा दे रहे हैं, आपको होप दे रहे हैं कि देयर इज अ फ्यूचर, देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ फ्यूचर एंड वी आर गोइंग टू एंजॉय द बेस्ट इन द कमिंग डेज. आप घर बैठे बैठे इस बिजनेस को कर सकते हैं, आप घर बैठे बैठे इस बिजनेस को इसको लेके आप चल सकते हैं. और साथ ही साथ हम आई जस्ट वांट टू एनकरेज यू दैट नो वी कैन टेक दिस बिजनेस एंड गो. सो आई एनकरेज यू फ्रेंड्स, especially people all across South. I know you have a challenge to hear, understand Hindi, so I speak to in English. But I'm telling you, do not give up. Do not be challenged with the situation currently that you're in. Don't be thinking that this dark moment will not pass. This too shall pass by. ये बुरे वक्त से हम गुजरेंगे और हम आगे बढ़ेंगे, क्योंकि बदलाव ही सब कुछ है. लाइफ में सब कुछ बदलते आया है. कंपनी यहाँ से यहाँ पहुंच गई है. मेरे चेक्स, जो पहला चेक था जो ₹2.36 का था, फर्स्ट चेक ऑफ ₹2.36 पैसे हैज चेंज मेनी मून्स अगो. ओके, सो कैन योर्स, and life is going to change. You have to believe. Okay, you have to believe that things are possible. If this was my one chairman bonus check, my children are grown big, my check is grown big, मेरे चेक बड़े हो चुके हैं, बदलाव आता है कि नहीं? क्या ₹2 में रह गया था? अगर उस वक्त मुझे कुछ लोगों ने बोला था कि ₹2, अरे क्या है, कुछ नहीं, आपका बिजनेस है, छोड़ दो. If I would have left my work and business and not looked at it and not believed in the company, I would have been somewhere lost. But 20 years now I know what Forever is all about. Okay, Forever is a company which has evolved and is a blessing in disguise. For those who don't know, I would encourage you, don't give up. Challenges आएंगे, तूफान आएंगे, लेकिन तूफान से हम बदलेंगे और आगे बढ़ेंगे. Okay, we'll move ahead. Okay, see Nikita evolving. Okay, all of us have evolved. I'm sorry I'm using Nikita here because I have some pictures which are old and new, and I thought the special moments I can show. Okay, but here are our people. Okay, this is Washington DC. We have evolved. See all our friends and leaders from across. You can see that. Umesh and Simon and Bedi, all these guys. See my upline, John. We are in Africa. Okay, my boys are grown up. Can you see how things are evolving? And these are super rallies. In those days, we used to get like this mementos. Super rally mentioned. A wife also sitting. Okay, South Fork Ranch. And different ways. See how it's gone. Things change. Don't remain where it was. Success comes to you, knocking at your doors. You have to believe. You have to look to it. And know that there is a hope. There is a future. Do not give up. Don't give up, please. Okay? Look ahead. Be ready for the changes. See the changes. The pin. The first pin. Okay, when I became an AS, Assistant Supervisor. All my pins, you can see here, supervisor. It changed it evolved till we got the eagle coming in. All my pins for my rallies. See this. All evolved. It started improving. Initially it was very different. Lots of them, I can't hold them all. Okay. To show, जो दिखाने के लिए खास करके नए लोगों को, ऐसे थे हमारे पहले सुपर रैली के टैग्स, ऐसे हुआ करते थे. आप जब करेंगे ना तो यूएस जाएंगे या आप जाते थे हम लोग सुपर रैली. These are my initial ones. Okay. All these different countries, all across US initially of course. उसके बाद इवॉल्व हो गया, ऐसे हो गया. दिख रहा है आपको ये हवाई का, ये फिर लंदन का. यू सी द चेंजेस. सब कुछ बदल रहा है. बदलाव के बिना लाइफ नहीं है. वी इम्प्रूव. कितने लोगों को मालूम है अभी के टैक्स कितने अच्छे. कुछ लोग अभी जुड़े जब उनको ऐसे टैक्स मिले. हाँ, ऐसे टैक्स. These look much more firmer, right? बदलाव. सब कुछ चेंज होता है लाइफ में. हमको खाली बन के रहना है, चलना है. तो हम पहले रैलीज जाते थे, हमको ऐसा सर्टिफिकेट मिलता था. I don't know how many of you can see this. Certificates are given to us. Okay, so you have to just move. How many of you like the babies here? The aloe babies. कितने लोगों को पसंद है aloe babies? कितने लोग ने लिया है इसको, ऑर्डर किया है? ऑर्डर किया है कि नहीं? एलोवेरी नेक्टर ऑर्डर किया? करो. Because we need to order these. This is our business. This is all about our business. How many have seen our babies here? Okay. How many want this? Hello babies. Okay. And as I'm talking to you, I'm just having a sip here and there. Excuse me. This is summer coming in. Order lots of these. These are good for you. बहुत सारा ऑर्डर कीजिए. गर्मी आ रही है, गर्मी के टाइम पे अच्छा है. डिलीवरी शुरू होएगा, अभी होएगा नहीं तो होएगा. कुछ लोग टेंशन में, अरे सर हमारा डिलीवरी आया नहीं. आएगा जरूर. थोड़ा सब्र कीजिए. जैसे देश का लॉकआउट थोड़ा क्लियर होएगा, डिलीवरीज आने लगेंगे. ओके. एंड okay, some of you are having challenges, I know. Just bear with me please. You'll get this audio video coming up, I believe. Okay, so what I want to encourage you this afternoon is, please bear with everything around you. Everything around you looks dangerous, because if you don't change, see, a lot of people 3 years back or 4 years back, we started encouraging you to come online, start placing online orders, but very few people took that initiative. Even all my people in Shillong, I was telling them, get online, get into bank deposits and placing orders. They refused to do. Now when the calamities come, they were requesting us, please keep it open for 2 days, which is not possible. When there is a directive given by the government to keep everything shut, we have to keep shut. So we cannot. See, the company follows the law of the land. We are one of the first companies, let me inform you, we are one of the first companies which follows everything that the government says. Okay, we are the first company to implement the PAN card and Aadhaar card and all those things. We are doing it. So please trust the company. Please have faith in the company, the management. They are doing the best. Can you imagine a company's staff taking that extra mile, going all that effort to give you all the emails, giving you all the details, how to go about, how to place your order, how to make your deposit, so that you can get your check this month. They are bothered about seeing you getting your paycheck. They are not bothered about how to, okay, this is a calamity, let's stop it. No, they're trying the best. They're trying the best to give you the best. Okay, so please support, please encourage, and send a thank you note. I don't see anybody sending thank you notes and words of appreciation. Thank the management, please. They are there to be with you. Right from Rex. This is the culture of Rex. Rex believed it. He imparted to his son Greg and Sonia and the others, and including their Nawaz and all. Nawaz has been with him from day one. Of course, we can see her. We all have met her, many of you. But the entire executive team stands with us. They are standing there and honoring. How many of you go on the Facebook and appreciate the staff that they started posting? That they're doing a good job. Italy, they showed a place in Italy. They are sending products to the home in the middle of the crisis. Can you imagine how caring this company is? No, Rex always believed in the power of love. And I'm telling you, friends, this business is all about love. Sharing and caring. It's not about money making. Some of you must be thinking, oh, these guys don't have any empathy and think. No, let me tell you, don't get carried away in what's happening around you. Don't get sucked into it.
but instead get encouraged to know that when you are fit and when your family is sound, that is what is more important. And right now, in the middle of that, you need to defocus from all the negatives. How can you defocus? Train yourself, change yourself, learn to know how to go about Facebook, learn to know how to go about. Many of my downlines say, "Sir, we are not on Facebook." I said, open an account. No, you have to open an account. Open new ways and venues of going about. I understand some areas your net power is slow, but trust me, it's improving. It will improve. And it is improving. See, in the midst of all this crisis, the government has given leeway and they've given directives to see that the internet is strong. Okay? But don't use it just for sending negative reports here and there, or just flashing you've got unnecessarily unloading you're downloading the internet power. Keep giving, keep the best. And let me tell you that we are here to stay. We are here forever, as the company's name says. We are here forever. हम हमेशा के लिए है. कंपनी का नाम बोलता है फॉरएवर, हम हमेशा के लिए है. बिलीव कि हमको बदलना जरूरी है, हमारे सोच को बदलना जरूरी है. लॉन्ग टाइम बैक आई यूज्ड टू से चेंज द डीवीडी ऑफ योर माइंड. आई एम टेलिंग यू, चेंज द वे यू थिंक. Because if you don't change the way you think, you can't experience victory. You can't experience what you have to achieve. You have to have patience. Don't expect things like this. I mean, many people have placed the order now. I've started getting calls. Sir, what's happening to our product delivery? Can't you understand that the company is under shutdown? The Prime Minister has announced the company is under shutdown. The whole country is under shutdown. The company will still try. If there's a way out for the courier to come, they will still see to it the couriers come to you. But please have patience. Don't lose your patience. Have patience. When people face a calamity, they think only of me, myself, my situation, my problem. But I'm telling you, look at it general. Look at it in the big way, in the big circumference. Because we have to think big. We have to change our way of thinking. Stop being that small mentality. Have a big mentality. Have a broad view. Because we have. Okay, have patience. And know this. The train will come out of the tunnel. This phase that we are going through, we are going to come to the other side where the tunnel is over, the dark period is over, and we will see a fresh light and we'll see we are out. How many of you are believing? I know many of you are believing. Persist. Don't give up. The power of forever is not only love, but we always have been teaching in our trainings in the last 20 years. Do not give up. Persist. Because when you don't give up, that's the best thing. And the best thing, I would say, make the best of it. Best of this occasion. Spend quality time with your loved ones. Tell them you love them. Have a quality time of sitting together, chatting together, watching a movie together. Okay? Have a quality time. Make the best of it. Have patience when you're doing it. Learn yourself. Many of you got children who are smarter than you. I got my younger son who's at home, and he's the one who helps me for all these gadgetries. Educate yourself, nothing wrong. Don't have that ego and sit on the TV and watch the TV and don't even go to help your wife. I washed the vessels at my home this afternoon. There's nothing wrong. Please go ahead. We're here as humans to be a blessing. Don't do it. Work as if you're in the office. Come to your other room. If you don't have you have a small house, no problem. Still there. Have sweetness, have time of prayer, whatever gods you believe in, but have time of prayer. Pray more for the nations, that this epidemic will go, that this virus will get finished and go. Okay, you and I need to know and understand that it is going to come to an end. It is going to come to an end. Whether you like it or not, it is going to come to an end. The world has seen it in the past. We as in this current generation have not seen it. But our past generations have gone through worse situations. Only thing that time was there was no social media. There was no gadgetries to update them. But there was an epidemic. There was plagues. There were things like that. But I am telling you, we are going to see victory. And thanks to the management's efforts, thanks to Mr. Harish and Miss Nikita for taking so much of initiative, so much caring. See, this has come down from Rex, Greg, and the team. They have rubbed it down from Nawaz. They want that we should be careful. If they care so much for we as FBOs, how much we should be thinking of the staff and their welfare and also of our own downlines and our people around us. Encourage them, call them, speak to them. Not only all the time about CC and all the time about products, but also how they are doing, how the family is. Can we help you in some way?
It's so easy to collect your check and 6%, 3%, 2%. But why not one call to your downline and ask, how are you doing in this season? How can I help you? Do you need some money? There are some guys who just joined recently, or maybe who's just not doing well. No harm. The power of forever is also sharing and giving. Okay? Rex has taught us forever giving. Let's do it. We can do it all together because we have the power to change. We have the power to evolve. We have the power to become something. I showed you some of the things. Do you want to have a look at the first update that we had in Forever? It looked like this. Just 2 pages. Here. Just 2 pages. This was the Forever update. This too changed. How many of you know the latest updates look so beautiful, so powerful? There's one of them, some of them here, but the latest one is missing right now. Okay, but see how it's changed. Over the period it's changed. I have one here. I remember the first color one came when Rex was going to come into India to launch, and the only one aloe vera gel was given per ID. Okay? Today you can order as many you want. Keep ordering as much as you want. You can order as much as you want. Tripacks. Use Tripacks more. I'm telling you, our consumption has to increase. We have to finish, gulp down, not little, but gulp down the whole bottle. The more you have, the more strong your immune system. Have all the immune system. You have the Arctic Sea. You have the Emu Blend. Order it. Okay? Have the Royal Jelly. All good combinations. Order your sanitizer. Okay? But go ahead. Order your products. Because this is what will make you. Don't go by the kurkur. Don't go by the negatives that people are speaking and discussing and get into it and get sucked into it. But instead see how you can improve. How you can make the best of this time that you have on your hands, because this time will make you into something successful. This time of doing your homework, preparing your notes, preparing how you can go, whom you can call. Let me tell you, a lot of people have lost their jobs. A lot of people are without income. They don't know what's going to hold their future. This is not the right time to tell them, come join us. But this is the right time to encourage them, support them, build a rapport with them. Because when you build a rapport and you think about the welfare at this moment, when the storm is over and when they are okay, you can tell them, boss, do you want to do my business and try it, which there's no investment. You can try, look at it, how simple it is, how nice it is, and they will join you. They will become a part of you, which will help you to help somebody's family and to get them a chance to make a living. I'm not saying that when they join day one, they'll make a living. Yes, if they are smart, they can. Because if you know that so-and-so, and you have so many friends, every industry, you talk of the travel industry, you talk of the hotel industry, people have lost jobs left and right. And you know why we Forever people are happy? Because we were always used to being in home. We work from home. I go force myself to get out of the house to go to the office and come back. Otherwise I need not go. Of course, yes, there is behind 19-20 years of hard work or smart work, you can say, which has blessed or helped. You want to see when I became the this is where I became when I became the manager. I thought I'll just show you that. Okay, I had declared it that I will become, and I got a chance to do it at that time, and I became a manager. By the time this had evolved, okay, but my privilege was I get to become a manager, and this was the only amount. Only 4 of us became a manager that year. This is me and my family here, okay, but a few others. But this is how it was. Just it. So everything evolves. Give room. Have patience. My prayer for each one of you, my good wishes to all of you, that during this time, please don't watch too much of WhatsApp. Don't watch too much of negatives. Don't watch too much of negative news, but be ready to change, ready to develop yourself, evolve yourself. Make the best of this 20 days. It may be extended another 15 days. It may go till April end. It can go still further, because globally there are so many countries still under lockdown and we are watching them. And let me tell you, don't go by those false reports and say, oh, India is very much fine and things like that. Some of you remember, some of you said, हमारे system में बहुत दम है. अभी क्या हो गया? अभी सब lockdown में आ गया. So we have to understand, please don't get carried away. This is a worldwide challenge. Everybody, nobody is spared. We will be also not spared. And if you are not careful, it can go beyond. So I encourage you, please, Okay, that this is the formula ahead. Take this time and make it creative. Think as new ideas and strategies how you can evolve your business. Get into the internet. Get into your learning mode. There's self-help everywhere. Learn yourself. I'm trying to do that. You can do that. Use different medias to talk to your teams. Call up people. A phone call makes a big difference in this times, in trying times. Not and check with them. Have you been able to place your order? How can we help you? How? I know there are limitations and all the help that we ask people, but at least we can do some encouragement to them. Speak to them. Crack a joke with your people. Crack a joke at home. Watch funny movies. Don't distract yourself. And I assure you, this change of thinking will take us out of this storm, out of this tunnel to the other side. We have it in us. We have the power within us. And if you're drinking aloe, and I can assure you, you will come out more stronger. Okay? End of it. We have hope. Don't give up. Because this is the power of forever. We have finished 42 years. You can see, I don't know if you can see here. Okay. 40 years. I have that directory here. You saw my eagle here. Okay. Okay. But what I'm trying to say is, we have been around. We have seen worse days. We have seen 3 recessions. Or 4 recession may be coming or hitting. But let me tell you, in the midst of it, we still have hope. This business has the power. Rex created it with a very powerful understanding. He had the marketing plan and he created. He evolved into what we are enjoying today. Make the best of it. Make the best of these times. Start trying them. There are other leaders who are going to be coming up. Every morning, 11:30. Every afternoon, 3:30. There are different leaders who are going to come up and different topics and going to share their hearts out to motivate, to encourage you. I'm sorry, my apologies. Next meeting when I do, I will try to do in Hindi. But we have enough Hindi speakers. So, but for the benefit of the people in South and also for the benefit of people who may be watching us internationally, globally, where the management has decided and they requested me to speak in English. So I'm sorry, my apologies. मैं आपसे क्षमा चाहता हूँ कि मैंने हिंदी में ज़्यादा बोल नहीं सका, क्योंकि मुझे बोला गया है कि इंग्लिश में बोला जाए, ताकि जो हमारे साउथ के भाई बहन हैं, जो फॉरएवर के फैमिली के, उनका लाभ हो, और उसके अलावा जो हमारे ग्लोबली फैमिली है, जो वो यहाँ पे अगर एक्सेस ले रहे हैं तो उनका लाभ हो. इसके लिए मैंने खास करके ये जो भी मैंने कहा है सब कुछ इंग्लिश में कहा है. I hope that the little that I could show you and little that I could pep you up to make you understand that everything has a time and a season and it changes. Forever also it's changing. हमारे आने वाला कल में बदलाव होने वाला है. But we are ready for the change. We already changed. ये कभी लाइफ में सोचा नहीं था ऐसा ट्रेनिंग करना पड़ेगा. सोच रहे थे, लेकिन ऊपर वाले के एक झटके से सब कुछ आ गया. अभी सोशल मीडिया में सब आ गया. जो नहीं जाता था वो भी टैप कर रहा है. जो नहीं आना चाहता था वो भी आ रहा है. So I encourage you that you will be blessed, and I promise you I will give a training somewhere in between in pure Hindi for the benefit of those. खास करके जो हिंदी समझते हैं उनके लिए मैं खास एक हिंदी में करूँगा. ये मेरा वादा रहा. मैं खास परमिशन लेके करूँगा. लेकिन I understand the need of the hour also, that we need to be universal for everybody's benefit. So thank you management, thank you Vikas, Marvin, all those who are working behind the scenes to get this online, for Nikita, for Hari sir, and all of them. Thank you, and all the Netcore members who have already spoken, who are going to speak. Thank you. Together we can do it. We are a team. This morning I have a devotion. Can I read this? The company that works most effectively thinks team. Each member knows their role, accepts responsibility, and supports the others. That's team. Companies develop trust and achieve success together. And Forever is one such company that believes in teamwork. And we are working as a team. Let's stand together, stay together, be one in the spirit. And together we are going to come out of this tunnel to the other side where there is light. Thank you, and God bless.